Welcome back today. It's a G with a G. I'm going to be making a beat today. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos, you will get notified. I'm going to be making a United Arab Emirates beat, also called how to make a Dubai trap beat. I'm going to be making a Dubai trap beat today. That's the beat I'm going to be making. So I'm going to launch my FL Studio and start programming my Dubai trap beat. And this is how I'm going to launch my FL Studio. I'm going to launch my FL Studio properly. I'm just going to put my mouse here, my cursor here, right click and press open. That's it. Now it's loading, getting to launch before I start programming my Dubai trap beat. Now I've launched my Dubai trap beat. I'm going to start with the melodies. Today I'm going to be picking this blocking chord. First of all, this is my channel rack, this is my playlist here, and this is my mixer. Now this is art. I'm going to click on art and pick this blocking chord. I'm going to pick this blocking. I'm going to use Citrus today. I'm going to use the plugin called Citrus. I'm going to put my mouse here, click on my mouse, left click, hold it, turn the mouse wheel up to channel 5. This is here. Now I'm going to click here and click here. This is preset. I'm going to click on preset and pick this preset called. These are many presets on my screen, as you can see. These are presets. I'm going to pick this preset called keys. That's it. That's how it's sounding. Now I'm going to right click and press piano roll and start programming my Dubai trap beat. First of all, I'm going to create the first 2 bars and copy it right to bars number 8. This is the first bar, the second bar. Now I'm going to create it like this. Now I've created 2 bars pattern. I'm going to click here. I'm going to press the left key button of my mouse, drag it to the corner and press Ctrl and B to bars number 8, and that's it. Now I'm going to play back my melody. Is it? The second step is I'm going to add a fruity parametric EQ2 on my melody. And this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to click here, and this is my fruity parametric EQ2. I'm just going to click on my fruity parametric EQ2, and now I'm going to play the beat now. Now I'm going to pick another melody to make it a 2 melody loops for my Dubai trap beat. Now I'm going to click on this melody here and turn it up to channel 6. I'm going to click here and put on my melody. Now I'm going to create my hi-hat like this. I'm going to click here. Now I'm going to off all the melodies and create my hi-hat like this. I'm just going to off all my melodies. This is how my hi-hat are going to sound like this. Now I'm going to right click, split by channel, and copy right to bars number 8. I'm going to copy right to bars number 8. That's it. Control B and copy like this. That's it. Now that's how I'm going to create my beat. That's it. I'm going to play back every instrument now and create my snare. On my snare, yes, I'm going to right click, press piano roll. The next step is I'm going to pick this kick like this. Now I'm going to program my kick. But before programming my kick, I'm just going to play all my melodies. This is my Dubai trap beat. Now I'm going to program my kick now. I'm going to right click, press piano roll. Now I'm going to arrange my beat on my playlist. This is my playlist where they have written part 1. I'm just going to right click and press split by channel. That's it. As you can see, these are my instruments here. I'm just going to click on my kick, drop it into my playlist, click on my hi-hat and drop it into my playlist. The reason why I'm doing this is because I've already programmed everything, so I'm just going to bring them into my playlist, arrange it, create a space for an intro and outro. So the next step is this is my snare. I'm going to click it here. First melody, I'm going to click it here, and the second melody, I'm going to click it here. That's it. Now I'm going to copy it right up to bars number, let me just say, I'm just going to copy it and make it longer and create a space for an intro and outro. I'm going to click right, I'm going to hold the left click, Control B. Now I'm going to add a fruity parametric beat on my second melody. That's it. And on my snare, I'm going to add a sound organizer. This is my hi-hat. I'm going to add a snare on my hi-hat. I'm going to add a sound organizer on my hi-hat. On my snare, I'm going to add a sound organizer too. That's it. And again, I'm going to add a fruity reverb too on both the first melody and the second melody. This is how I'm going to do it. First of all, I'm going to play my beat. This is my Dubai trap beat. This is how I'm making it. Make sure you follow along and subscribe. Just press the subscribe button. Now this is it. Add a fruity reverb too. Next step is I'm going to add an automation clip on my first melody and my second melody. This is my best way of making trap beats, and this is my Dubai trap beat that I'm making. So I'm just going to play my beat and add an automation. That's it. I'm going to right click and add an automation. Now I'm going to swap left and right. Second, I'm going to swap. This is my cursor here. I'm going to swap and swap. Now I've finished making my Dubai trap beat. I'm going to start my melody on the intro and the outro. Now let's listen to my full Dubai trap beat now. Let me start it back. That's it. so much for watching. I've already finished making my Dubai trap beat. See you next time in a different video. Thank you so much.